Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular browsers on your Emporia Smart 5. So at the start, at the Microsoft Edge. In this web browser you have to click on the taskbar icon here, choose in private and add a tab. Now the Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. The next one is Firefox. In the Firefox on the welcoming screen, just click here on this arrow mask. If the background is purple, that means you are in the incognito mode. But if you have any tab opened, tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the 0 and add a private tab. And the last one, the Opera. Exactly same like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And now your history, completed forms, the cookies files or even words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.